What if I told you that there's a tiny natural spice, no bigger than your fingernail, that when chewed for just 60 seconds can help reignite your energy, boost circulation, and awaken your body's natural strength? The strength that's been quietly hiding inside you. No expensive pills, no side effects, no weird tricks. This isn't some new supplement fad. It's something you probably already have sitting in your kitchen, quietly waiting for the chance to show its power. I know this might sound too simple to be true, but stay with me. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how this humble ingredient is helping men and women over 60 reclaim vitality, mental clarity, and zest for life. By the end, you'll know how to use it, why it works, and why I, along with many medical professionals, can't ignore its benefits anymore. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe, and comment below. I want to know, where are you watching from? Many men believe that low energy, poor circulation, or declining vitality is just part of getting older, that it's normal, that nothing can change it. Here's the truth, it's not your fault, and your body isn't broken. It's just been missing the right trigger to wake it back up. A tiny natural spice, chewed mindfully, can act as that trigger, and yes, it really is that simple. I'm Dr. Jocelyn Carter, a prostate and men's health specialist with 5 years of clinical experience helping patients over 60 rediscover strength, confidence, and comfort in their own bodies. Over the years, I've seen countless men and women feel like their best days are behind them, only to realize their bodies were waiting for one small, consistent habit to restore vitality. And this isn't a gimmick, like it's rooted in real, proven science. So what is this tiny, potent spice? The answer is clove. Its secret lies in a compound called eugenol, packed inside the essential oil of the clove. When chewed, it's rapidly absorbed through your gums and mucous membranes into the bloodstream. Here's what happens biologically. Vasodilation, eugenol relaxes stiff blood vessels, allowing blood to flow freely. Hormone support. It helps raise testosterone naturally, which often declines with age. Nervous system calm, beta-caryophyllene, another compound in clove, helps reduce stress and anxiety by signaling the brain, relax, everything's fine. Oral and systemic anti-inflammatory effect. Clove fights bacteria in the mouth, reducing systemic inflammation that silently strains your heart, vessels, and yes, sexual function. Imagine this. 60 seconds of chewing a clove sends a gentle but powerful message to your body. It's time to wake up. Step 1. Take 2 to 3 whole cloves, not powder. Organic is ideal, but not required. Step 2, place a clove at the back of your mouth, gently bite until it cracks. You'll taste the potent oil. That's the eugenol starting to work immediately. Step 3, let the oil spread for 30 seconds, inhaling gently through your nose, allowing absorption through your gums and mucous membranes. Step 4, chew gently for another 30 seconds, releasing the remaining oil. You can swallow or spit the remains, both are effective. The key is intentional, mindful chewing for the full 60 seconds. For maximum effect, I recommend 2 daily sessions. Evening, 60 minutes before bed, supports the nervous system, lowers cortisol, and promotes deep restorative sleep when testosterone is naturally produced. Morning, before breakfast, kickstarts circulation, mental clarity, and gentle energy without caffeine spikes. Some patients even use it before light exercise or intimate moments for a natural boost. The 3 silent enemies, clove targets. Poor circulation. Vasodilation opens stiff arteries, improving blood flow to heart, brain, and muscles. Chronic stress, beta-caryophyllene tells your nervous system it's safe, reducing cortisol and mental fatigue. Sleep disruption. The calming effect promotes restorative sleep, allowing testosterone and other hormones to reset naturally. Timeline of benefits. Week 1, subtle warmth in chest and lower abdomen, clearer mind, small bursts of motivation, better sleep. Some even notice morning arousal returning, a sign testosterone is rising. Week 2, improved circulation, more mental clarity, better emotional resilience, energy lasting longer through the day. Week 4, real noticeable changes, consistent morning erections, lasting energy, better focus, and partners noticing renewed vitality. This isn't instant magic, it's natural science at work, responding to consistent, mindful daily action. Here's something few men consider. Gum and oral health significantly impacts circulation and erections. Bleeding gums or oral bacteria can leak into the bloodstream, causing systemic inflammation and restricting blood flow. Chewing cloves daily delivers eugenol-rich oil directly to the gums, fighting bacteria, reducing inflammation, and protecting blood vessels from inside out. Within a week, many patients notice fresher breath, cleaner gums, and reduced bleeding. The deeper benefit? Blood flow improves, delivering nutrients where they're needed most, including vital organs and reproductive tissues. Lifestyle integration, the 3 golden rules. Non-negotiable routine: chew cloves daily, just like brushing your teeth. Move your body, even 20 minutes of walking or light stretching keeps vessels flexible. Protect your sleep. Cool, dark, quiet bedroom. Chew cloves before bed to support hormone reset. This isn't just about stronger erections or deeper sleep. It's about reclaiming your energy, focus, and presence in every part of your life. Many men and women over 60 feel trapped by the aging equals weakness story. I'm here to tell you that story is false. 1 small clove, chewed mindfully for 60 seconds a day, can send the right signal to your body that it's ready to wake up, heal, and perform at its best again. It doesn't take expensive pills. It doesn't take injections, just consistency, intention, and awareness. So here's your first step tonight. Grab 2 whole cloves from your kitchen. Hold them. Say, "This is my signal to awaken my body." Chew slowly for 60 seconds. Breathe deeply. Feel the warming oil spreading. Repeat daily. And if you're committed, type "I'm ready" in the comments. It's a promise to yourself and a declaration that age is not the end, but a turning point. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share your experience. This is your moment to reclaim energy, circulation, focus, and vitality. I'm Dr. Jocelyn Carter, and on this channel, Wise Forever, we prove that life after 60 is not about decline. It's about rising again, naturally, safely, and confidently. And remember, you already have the strength. You already have the tools. Now there's just one thing left to do: chew, heal, rise.